Hey viewers, here I will talk about one of the five treasures of snow and the second highest mountain on earth, the Mount K2. Being in Asia, it stands at 8611 meter at the roof of the world where the borders of Pakistan and China collide into the rugged Karakoram range stands a mountain born of pure myth and geological violence. It does not look like the rolling ridges of the Himalayas. It is a stark, near perfect pyramid of rock, ice, and sky. It is officially designated as K2, but to those who dare to look upon it, it goes by a far more chilling title, the Savage Mountain. Mount Everest may be the highest peak on earth, but K2 is the ultimate crucible of human endurance. Standing at an awe-inspiring 8611 meters, it is a peak that does not invite climbers, it defies them. To climb Everest is a feat of immense endurance, but to climb K2, it is a brush with absolute mortality. On this mountain, the vertical climb begins almost the moment you leave base camp. There are no easy ridges, no gentle slopes. It is a relentless vertical wall of technical ice and unstable rock. For over a century, K2 took far more than it gave, maintaining a brutal reputation, where nearly one in every four climbers who stood on the summit never made it back down alive. It fiercely resisted a winter ascent for decades, breaking the world's elite athletes against its hurricane force winds and negative 60-degree temperatures. K2 remains the ultimate symbol of high altitude mountaineering. It is a place of devastating tragedy but also of unparalleled human triumph. It stands as a reminder that the true peak we conquer is never the mountain itself, but our own limit.